Hello and welcome to another video. Hope you're all doing well. GearBest sent me a gaming keyboard to review, and that's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. Now, basically, we're gonna see how this $17 keyboard compares to, let's say, other keyboards for around the same price. All right, so let's get started with the video. I got here the GX50 gaming membrane backlight keyboard with suspension keycap. This is gonna be a quick unboxing. There isn't much to show. Oh wow, this is nice. The lights are very bright. Let's see how it looks when I turn the lights off. I like it. Now let's compare it to other keyboards, shall we? Alrighty, so we already plugged in the keyboard to our computer, and we're ready to go through a series of tests on the keyboard to see how does it feel when, let's say, you type in a Word document or when you're gaming. First, we're gonna test with this Word document right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and type just test words. The keys feel so smooth, like feels really good actually. Now let's test it with let's say against other keyboards that are around the same price. For example, this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and type something. Test. Let's see. This one feels. Test. Well,
I've also noticed this even with the other keyboard. It's also got more of a sound to it than the gaming one.
That is true. I can tell by now. It just feels more responsive, and I don't know, it's not
And just watching you type on both of them, it seems like the gaming one.
This feels cheap. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It feels cheap. Let's move on to the next keyboard.
I can already hear the difference in typing.
See, like this, the spacebar is so loud.
It is.
Oh wow, this one is louder. Wow, and I'm not even pushing it too hard. Now this is a gaming one that I have, that I personally use, and it looks okay. But the lights on this one are just much better.
Well, to me, for one, quality on here on this one, the way it looks, and color-wise, excuse me, I can see colors way more vivid.
They're brighter, yes.
Yeah, on this one than I can on this one.
Yeah, these are dim. You're right.
Yeah.
No, you're totally right. Okay. Now the keys on this one are not that bad, but definitely cannot compare to this.
And I still go by
This, like, I feel like the membrane or whatever the thing has, like, it's what makes the difference.
Yeah.
The membrane.
Well, I've noticed too on these, like for instance, you can type, and then even though they come back up, but on this one right here, oh wow,
It's like a different level.
It's got like a little. It's like it's got like an extra spring in it.
Maybe so, yeah. And also with this keyboard, I don't know how I'm gonna show it, but basically you can, let's say if any key is malfunctioning, you can easily take it out, like so, like that.
Oh, interchangeable.
Yes. And you have, for example, it's getting dirty or it's not feeling right, it's not clicking right. You can just clean it up and then put the cap back on.
Okay, so that means you're gonna need
like that.
That means you're gonna need like a type of one of them CO2 type deal sprays, like the air spray.
Yes.
That'll be.
I mean, if you want to clean it up really quick,
Yeah.
because sometimes they get dirty, you might spill liquids or whatever, it gets sticky, so you can just clean it up really quick.
Just like professional gamers, they're gonna have a can of that on a back skin anyway, in case they have to do something real fast and then get back in the game.
Exactly. Now, moving on to the next one. This is a HP keyboard. This ships with the computer. Usually, when you buy an HP computer, you may probably get something very similar to this. To me personally, this keyboard feels like typing on a laptop, on one of those cheap laptops. That's exactly how it feels. That's, I guess, is depending on your personal opinion, you may hate it or may love it. Because some people like it, some people don't.
Oh, yes.
I'm kind of the person that don't like the feeling. I prefer a mechanical keyboard. That's probably the best scenario, but this is definitely, you can, to me, like, this is 10 times better.
Yeah. Well, let me also throw this out. Let's say that you want to be a gamer, but normally the games that you play, you like to play at nighttime.
Oh, wow.
But yet, let's say you got a wife or a girlfriend or grandparents or parents that's asleep already. To me, this keyboard right here is too loud. You want something that's a little bit quieter. To me, the one you're typing on now is a whole lot quieter.
Yes, you're right. Yeah, definitely. And I'm gonna test the last keyboard that I have. And this is another one that I bought online. This is actually from Amazon. This is from Amazon Basics. So basically, even Amazon, they manufacture this ones right here. Like, they have their own branding of own devices. So as you can see, I'm using the mouse and the keyboard from Amazon. Now this keyboard is probably, I'm expecting to be pretty much the same as the previous one. It's, yes. Yes, it feels exactly the same like the other one. It's like that, like laptop. It feels like you're typing in a laptop. That's what it feels like.
It sounds a little bit like though.
Now with the sound, oh yes, it's pretty loud. Oh yeah, definitely. Yes, I will say the loudest one is the Dell keyboard is the worst so far that I tested. But now, my friend Thomas is gonna go ahead and test them too and see how you like them. How does it compare? Because I just don't want to give my own opinion.
Well, like I said, so far, quiet, easy to touch. Well, besides here lately, I have been a night guy. I stay up during the night, and well, something like this, you actually want something like this. You can be quiet. You don't have to be loud and trying and keeping up everybody else that's in the house. My opinion right now, I like this one so far. But let's see what the other ones got.
Okay.
Well, there's no comparison. I like this one better.
This one better. Okay. Any things that you dislike about this one?
Well, louder for one.
Okay.
I go back to what if you're trying to be quiet when you're gaming at night, or you got something you got to do and everybody else is asleep.
That's true.
Let's say you got a bed in here, you got somebody asleep in here, you're keeping them up.
Mm-hmm. That is true. Okay.
And that's the reason why I go back to this one. It's quiet, even though it still makes a little noise, but it's not noticeable.
Mm-hmm.
Which this one, I believe you're gonna be mad if I'm sitting here typing on this thing and keeping you up.
Exactly. Sure. Now, what about the feeling?
Hands down, this one right here.
It feels better?
Yeah, it's a whole lot better.
When you push down the keys.
Just listen to that. Would you rather have noise like that or that?
Exactly. That is true. All right. Let's move on to the next one.
All right.
I'm pretty sure. I think it's gonna be the same thing with this one because they're almost identical with this HP
I can even see the
keyboard.
Feel the difference. To me, actually, it sounds a little bit louder.
It's louder to you. Okay.
Oh wow, that's something I didn't notice. But the keys on the game. Well, I'm gonna call it the gaming.
The gaming keyboard. Okay. Let's call it a gaming keyboard.
Yeah. The keys that feel it for itself. But compared to this one right here,
Okay.
let's say the J on this one and the J on this one, they really don't move much on the gaming.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Oh, okay. Oh, then you know I like the other one. All right, let's test the next one.
That's still too loud though.
This is even louder, I think.
It is.
Oh, hell no.
Nah. Quality-wise, it's a good keyboard, but
Not good enough.
my thought still goes back to I want that quietness.
Quiet, okay. Gotcha. All right, let's move on to the next one.
And have you ever had a feeling, ever had the sense of fact where you're just hitting one of these so hard when you're playing a game that you end up having one pop off?
That is true, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. There's people that smash those buttons, you know.
Yeah. And that's actually what happened to me one time before. I don't remember what game I was playing actually, but I was sitting there I was getting mad. I mean like mad. and all of a sudden I just went like that. You should have seen keys going everywhere.
Wow. Okay.
But again, it's not as loud as the last keyboard.
Okay. Yeah. The supposedly gaming one is very loud.
But still, it's still
Oh,
nowhere
yeah.
as quiet as this.
Yes.
Nowhere near.
I can feel it. I can hear it from here. All right. Let's test. And the last one.
Did you pick this thing up?
Is it heavier?
This thing is even heavier.
Let me test that. I have not noticed that. Oh wow, it does have its own weight, right?
Yeah. This looks a whole lot heavier.
Yes. Yeah.
Again, quiet. I believe this one's the loudest one out of all of them.
All right, forget about noise. How about for the people that don't care about the sound, they just care about the feeling
Well,
when you're typing?
Somebody that lives alone, I guess it don't really matter about the sound.
Okay.
I guess it's about the quality.
The quality of the key.
And how,
Yes.
how it feels.
Exactly, when you type, because remember, there's people that they're on the computer all day long.
Yeah, exactly. Like office people. No,
Yes,
no.
office or gamers. They're gamers that they go for like 10 hours straight playing.
Yeah, it's just. Oh wow. Have you noticed the keys on this one's a whole lot harder to push?
They're hard to push.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Let's see. It's like you don't have to do much effort to push down the key on that one. But this one you have to push a little harder. Really quick, before we move to the gaming part, we're gonna do a quick comparison between that keyboard, gaming keyboard against this gaming keyboard with the lights turned off. This looks so freaking bright and beautiful compared to this.
Hands down, I can see this one a whole lot better. Oops, hey, wait a minute, the lights went out on this one.
Oh, to type this one. Yeah.
Oh, it must be set on a timer or something if you don't hit it.
Okay, look. Oh wow, look at this. So beautiful. Yes, big difference. This looks very dim, and even if I change the color on this one,
I just not noticed when you were sitting there hitting that one.
something happened here, right? I noticed that too, right?
That one.
But anyways, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I just don't. I don't like how this one looks. This one looks a lot better.
I can see this one a whole lot more clear than I
Yes.
do with this one.
Yes, definitely.
It's a whole lot different from 3 monitors.
What do you think? Look at this, man.
Looking at it, I mean, here, it's terrible.
This is next level gaming.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is next level.
Did he say?
Yeah.
That is crazy.
It is crazy.
Let me see if I can land on this thing right here. Oh, I almost did it.
Almost.
Oh wow, this took me forever. Oh boy, this guy's gonna kill me right here. I knew it. I knew it, he was gonna do it.
Oh, it feels a whole lot more better than with the controllers that.
Try to smash the keyboard, let's see, the keys and everything. Tell us what the keyword is for the people that are trying to win that giveaway.
GX50.
GX50.
Oops.
Oh yeah, this feels a lot better and responsive. Yes.
And you also feel the spongy.
Yes, that's what I think makes the big difference between these two keyboards, this cheap one and wow, big difference, man.
Feels a whole lot different compared to the PlayStation 4 and being on the PC.
It feels different.
It seems like you got better control on the.
More precision, yeah, everything. Like people playing with a controller, they're at a disadvantage.
Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah, like for instance, on my PlayStation 4, if I was playing this and trying to shoot that flag, it'd take me a
little longer to aim.
Up and everything.
Yes.
It would be on the PC.
Plus, if you look, I also have an advantage that I can see my surroundings.
Okay.
Whereas in the people playing with the one single monitor, they can't, or one TV.
Oh yeah.
They just see this.
Yeah, that's true.
I think they have a sniper rifle.
Either that or something that you've got better time to see.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, much better.
What's your thoughts on it?
I love it. I think any gamer will be happy with a keyboard like this.
I can't complain. It's more soft to the touch, and it seems like it's more better of a reaction time as well.
Yes. What do you think about this view?
Oh wow.
Nobody's coming this way. I wonder what happens if I step on that.
I think that's one of the fly things, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Is it like a zip line?
Well, I wonder. Yeah, it is a zip line. I guess it's only what? Let's say I guess it's only going one way.
Oops, who's shooting at me?
Well, anyway, any last thoughts about the keyboard?
All right, so all I can say is that it's a good keyboard for gamers or whoever just spends a lot of time, typing, on the computer all day long. It's very comfortable, and not only that, it looks nice. It looks beautiful, with the lights and everything.
I'm gonna have to agree with you. It's a very nice touch.
My final thought is that I don't think you can beat the keyboard for the price.
Especially the quality of it and the price of it, and the sensitivity is awesome.
Exactly, because as you can see, all these keyboards they go for around the same price, just like this one, very close to it.
And so loud.
You don't get the quality of this keyboard. The membrane. I guess the membrane feels like kind of like sponge.
Exactly.
That makes a huge difference. Believe it or not. I would like to mention that I want to do a giveaway. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. All right, let's say 2 giveaways. I have 2 keyboards to give away. And this is the way it's gonna work. Now, if you want to have a chance to win one of these keyboards, the only thing you have to do is basically first, you have to comment a keyword that I'm gonna say during the video. And also, if you didn't have a chance to comment that, in the first place, because basically, the first person who comments the keyword in the video.
That's a good idea.
Right?
Gave you 2 chances of winning at least once.
Exactly. So the first chance is like, if you get the keyword, if you catch it, you type it in a comment, and you basically won the first keyboard. Now the second one will get it the person, whoever makes the best comment, like something very unique, whatever you want to say, something funny, something weird, whatever the case may be, just something very original. Whoever makes a comment like that, we're gonna go through them, and we're gonna choose the best one.
Exactly.
Right? How does that sound?
That sounds like a good idea.
And by the way, if you have Steam or PlayStation, you can add me. I want to have the links somewhere around on the screen. If you want to learn how to have like a gaming setup like this one with 3 monitors and play games like Fortnite, like this, beautiful. I'm gonna have a future video explaining step by step how to do this. This is very easy. Bro, like I'm serious, this makes a big difference.
Oh, I can see for myself.
If you're a console gamer or even a PC gamer with one single monitor, when you start playing like this, it's mind-blowing.
Exactly.
It's like, it feels like you're in the game. I don't know if you felt like that when you started playing it.
Take it from the first person that actually played a game, his first time playing with 3 monitors. It's literally mind-blowing. You can, as you can see it for yourself right now.
Well, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and please hit the like button if you liked it. And if you want to watch more videos like this one, Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.